Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one we change for dy over dx. Next I will put this one go to the right. So we divide both sides by tan y and x plus 1. So I will put the x go to the right. So we put the integration for the both sides. So we need to focus on this one. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to tan y. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have secant of y squared dy. So this one we change for u. Secant of y squared dy we change for du. The integration of this one we have Ln of the absolute value of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about tan y. So this one, that is about this one. This one, that is about Ln of the absolute value of x plus 1, and I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.